Hey, what's up guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video taking a look at a computer speaker. Now this was sent over to me by the company called BLUEDEE, so a big shout out to them for sending this over for review. So this is the BLUEDEE computer speaker. Dynamic RGB computer sound bar, hi-fi sound, Bluetooth 5.0 and 3.5 auxiliary in connection, USB powered computer speaker. This is for your desktop, PC, laptops, and tablets. And you can find this over on Amazon.com. Right now the price is $49.99, plus they have a coupon for an extra $10 off as well. Here's a nice picture of the device here. So let's take a look at a few of the key features and details, and I will drop that link down in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So a few of the features and details here. Hi-fi sound quality. This has dual drivers and dual diagrams, which provide perfect performance for high pitch and deep bass. Dynamic RGB lighting. The colorful RGB lighting enhances the music experience and game dynamic experience as well. This has 4 different lighting modes. You have the default color gradient mode, you have the breadth gradient mode, rhythm mode, and lights off mode. This has dual connections, so adapted with the aux and Bluetooth 5.0. You can connect a wide choice of audio sources, and you will feel free to choose the desired audio sources. This also is equipped with the 3.5mm jack and can be connected through the aux cable as well. USB powered plug and use. The computer sound bar turns on automatically after plugging in the USB ports such as laptops, PC hosts, power banks, and adapters. So you don't need to download any drivers or software. It's plug and play, it's ready to go. So this link will be in the description if you guys want to go over and read some more specs on this or pick this up. All right guys, so here's the box that it comes in. As you guys see, you got a little branding here with the model number. You got a nice picture of the speaker here. And on this side, you're gonna have, it's gonna say PC gaming soundbar. On the back, you don't have much going on here. And then on the top of it, you do have the BLUEDEE name branding there. So let's get into the box, check it out, see what's all included. All right, so here's the box. So the first thing you get here, this is gonna be your user's manual, I think, in here. Let's check it out, see. All right, so yes, this is your user's manual, and it's gonna tell you everything you need to know about the device. User's manual, and here's the speaker, nothing else in the box. Woo, it has a nice braided cable there, so let's get this out of the way. So here's the speaker, guys. This is it. So nice plastic build. Here's the braided cable here. As you guys see, you got your USB-A and you got your 3.5mm there. That's just a splitter on there, and this is braided, guys. This is a braided orange and black, look like it. You got the BLUEDEE name branding here on your little Velcro. Just keep that together. And this seems like it's pretty long too as well, guys. So here's the speaker, all plastic, does have a nice little heft to it. You got your 3.5mm headphone jack here. Look like one of your RGB light strips there. On the end of it, you do have some more places where your light can come through. On the bottom of it, you do have your feet here in case you want to set it where it's not going to slip. Some more RGB light strips here, your volume, up and down power button and mode button, which is clickable. And then on the back, there isn't anything. So just looking at it like this, it's, you know, not too fancy looking. You do have the name branding there. So let's go ahead and get this thing plugged in, check out how it sounds, and go through the different modes on it. Okay guys, so we're back in. I have it plugged in to my Anchor power bank here. This is how I'm gonna power this. So go ahead and turn on the Anchor power bank. As you guys see, the device lights up. You can see the lights on the end. You can see the RGB light going right there. So let's go ahead and get this synced up to Bluetooth right here. So I'm going to use my Note 20 Ultra, and we're going to go into Bluetooth. And the way you connect this, you hold down on the side button for about 2 seconds, and you'll see it start to flash red and blue. Once you do that, you're going to go over to your device and you're going to see SK010. You press that and there's a Bluetooth for pair request. You pair. You get that audible sound there, and now you're paired with your Bluetooth device. And we're going to go ahead and play some music here. So I'm going to get to some non-copyright music. All right, so I'm going to put the volume all the way up on my phone. And over here, I'm going to slowly increase the volume on the side over here. Alright guys, so that selection sounds great. Cycle through the different color modes here. So right now this is in the color gradient mode, as you guys see. And next we're going to go ahead and start the music up. Going to double click it. So this is the breathe mode. And then next you're going to have the rhythm mode. As you guys see, it goes along with the beat of the music. So it works pretty good with the Bluetooth feature going on here. No issues connecting, very easy to connect it Bluetooth. So let's move on to the next way that you can connect this. All right guys, so we're back in. I have the speaker hooked up to my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, Bluetooth, powering it with my Anchor power bank. And we're gonna look at some video games on here and see how they look. So let's go. All right guys, so now I have it hooked up to my Mac Mini over here in the corner. I have the USB plugged in as well as the 3.5, and I'm going to play some YouTube, my video, just listening for the vocals as if you were going to be looking at a movie, and we'll check it out and see how it sounds going through the 3.5. So here we go. Now I do have the Mac Mini volume all the way up here, as you guys see. And so let's play it. And it does have a built-in screen protector, but it's time for me to put a screen protector on the actual phone, because ever since I've put this skin on the back of it here, I've been wanting to use this as a, without the casing. All right guys, so it sounds pretty good with just vocals. So now we're gonna play a little bit of non-copyright music. Let's go here. And the cameras are back. It's back a little bit from the computer as well. So let's play this here. That's the breathe mode. And that's the rhythm mode. Let's play another selection. Alright guys, so let's move on with the rest of the video. Alright guys, so this has been my look at the BLUEDEE computer speaker, gaming sound bar. Has some great sound. It's not overpowering you with the bass, the mids or the highs, but overall has some great sound. Easy to hook up to your devices. Hooking it up Bluetooth is great. The RGB lighting is awesome as well. If you want to just have this sitting on your desk, have the lights turned out and chilling with some music on it, it's great. When I hooked it up to my M1 Mac Mini, no issues there. I didn't see any latency when using it Bluetooth wise as well. The only thing I can say is you're not going to be able to unplug your cable on the back here, so that's probably the only thing I don't like so much about it, but do have the ability to plug in your headphones here as well. So overall, nice small slim package as well. Great device. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Wheels, gadgets, and more. I'm out.